Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. One of the worst kinds of acne is cystic acne. This type of acne feels like soft, fluid-filled lumps under the skin's covering. These big red lumps can be painful and can cause harm to the skin and will probably leave scars. They usually come on your face, chest, back, upper arms, or shoulders. The main reason for cystic acne is hormonal changes that cause higher levels of sebum to be made. Other reasons are the use of greasy cosmetics, a great amount of humidity or sweating, and certain drugs and chemicals. Teenagers are more likely to have this problem because of the hormonal changes going on in their bodies, but anyone can have it. Taking proper care of your skin and a healthy lifestyle are very important for treating cystic acne. There are also some simple home cures that can help treat it by bringing down swelling and fighting infection. 1. Turmeric. To get rid of cystic acne, you can use turmeric. This spice has curcumin, which naturally brings down swelling and eases pain. Also, it kills bad germs and fights the infection. Add a little water or unrefined sesame oil to 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder to make a paste. Put this paste on the hurt area and leave it on for about an hour before washing it off. Do this 1 or 2 times a day for a few days. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is another great cure for cystic acne. Because it is an astringent, it helps get rid of extra oil to cure acne and ease pain and swelling. It also helps clean the skin and balance the skin's acid level. Mix equal amounts of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and water. Dip a cotton ball in the mixture and put it on the hurt skin. Let it sit for about 15 minutes, then wash it off with water. Do this 2 times a day for a few days. 3. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil goes into the skin easily to help unblock the sebaceous glands, clean pores, and dry out the acne. Put 1 or 2 drops of tea tree oil onto a cotton ball and pat it gently onto the hurt area. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight. People with sensitive skin should mix 1 part tea tree oil with 3 parts water before putting it on. Use this once a day for a week. Note: some people are allergic to tea tree oil, so test it on a little bit of skin before using it. 4. Baking soda. Another great cure for cystic acne is baking soda. This is because it kills germs and brings down swelling. Baking soda can pull extra oil out of blocked pores and clean away dead skin cells. It also evens out the acid level of your skin, leaving it healthy and glowing. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with enough cucumber juice to make a thin paste. If you do not have cucumber juice, you can use plain water. Put it on the hurt area. Let it sit for a couple of minutes and then wash it off with warm water. Do this 1 or 2 times a week. Note: make sure to moisturize your skin after using baking soda. 5. Fuller's Earth. Fuller's Earth is a type of clay that is good for curing cystic acne. It helps get rid of extra oil and dead skin cells, leaving clean and smooth skin. It even lowers the chance of scars forming. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of Fuller's Earth with enough water to make a paste. Put in a half teaspoon of honey. Put it on your face. Let it dry on its own. Then wash it off with water. Do this 1 or 2 times a week. 6. Indian lilac. Indian lilac, also called neem or margosa, is a popular Ayurvedic cure for cystic acne. It kills germs and bacteria to help fight the cause of the problem. It also eases signs like pain and swelling. Taking neem into the body even helps wash out poisons and cleans your blood. Put the paste of neem leaves on the hurt area of the skin. Let it dry on its own before washing it off with warm water. Do this 2 times a day for a few days. 7. Dietary changes. By making some changes to your diet, you can stop any type of acne, including cystic acne. Here are some things you should change. Follow a low glycemic diet with whole grains, beans, fresh fruits, and green vegetables. Eat nuts and seeds that are full of vitamins A and E. Drink a lot of water throughout the day to flush harmful poisons out of your body. Eat little or no dairy, like milk and cheese, until the acne is gone. Don't eat oily, fatty foods and spicy foods that can make the acne worse. Don't eat junk foods and foods full of sugar. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.